lockers as items may fall out causing injury. For your convenience, there is a call bell, reading light and fresh air vent in the panel above your head. There are 3 toilets on board, 1 at the front of the cabin and 2 at the rear. You can find the baby changing facility in the rear right toilet. We would like to remind you that smoking on board is strictly prohibited, and this includes the use of electronic cigarettes and vapes. All of our toilets are fitted with smoke detectors. Also, we are operating a cashless flight. We no longer accept cash on board. However, we do accept all major debit and credit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, as well as Google and Apple Pay. All receipts can be downloaded straight from Ryanair.com after your flight. We would like to take this opportunity to sincerely apologise for our delayed departure, and we do hope it hasn't caused you too much inconvenience. But for now, we invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy your short flight with us.